So, yeah, we definitely got a bit happening today. Oh, calamari!
What's going on?
Oh. So we got a bit of a work and bee on at the village.
Yep, so you went down here. And then I thought we might be able to use some of this other stuff over there.
What's happening?
Same shit, yeah?
Kind of
Yeah, same shit.
that
What are you doing?
I don't know, I'm disappointed, man. Did Sam tell you off?
What? He's on! How are you?
Yeah, good dude.
Congratulations.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked, eh?
I've touched your dick now.
He's got no skin left on it.
Filling the jump in. That was the funnest jump here.
What?
The old jump that was there.
What do you mean?
I said leave it. You heard me.
You did say it. Fucking cow.
Yeah, I knew you weren't going to be happy.
Tell us about the wing.
I'll finish my mouthful first.
Wouldn't be the first time you've had a mouthful.
I'll just wipe that off.
We've got jumps to build for days. Oh, that's fucking
Yeah,
huge.
have a go at that.
That's fucking huge.
Yeah, you just gotta be careful because it's only hanging on by that one piece.
That's alright.
That's her.
Fuck, it's way bigger than what I thought.
What are we talking about here?
Oh, we talking about the sign?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, they come out like better than I expected.
Looks sick.
Old mate's a wizard, eh?
As you can see, we need a bit of bloody rain, so if anyone's got a bit of that lying around, let us know, because we're a bit light on. Fucking cow! What a savage.
What a time to be alive.
We're going to have mullet wars when
You can have a mullet
Liam gets out here.
You need to go in the dam and do like a flick back. That'll do.
Yeah, let's put a bit of plyboard or something behind it.
Yeah.
Let's turn one to a light box.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you could.
Actually, that's what I'm going to do. It's a bit windy, Al. What do you got to fix that?
Right, whack the ride till dead windbreaker on.
Oh.
Good as gold.
What's going on in your head, Cal?
In where?
What's going on in your head? Float over here, land into this like little downhill. Here we go. Lip, jump out straight, and then another lip into the jump over near sort of where these cars are. Bit of blurred vision happening. Yeah, we got a bit of dirt.
Fuck yeah. I was thinking we'll push all this into a big pile here.
Oh, sick hoodie.
Do you like it?
Yeah, that's the first.
First thing seen it.
When's the website up?
Should be this week, hopefully.
It's like, what the fuck's going on there?
Oh, yeah?
Once all that's rolled over,
Yeah, that'd be good.
it'll be like just a little like kind of like a little floater fucking thing.
Yeah, that'll be sick.
That did not come out.
Yeah. You got hats?
Yeah, I got these guys.
Guess what? Oh yeah, fuck off. You got a bit of shit under you're a fucking weapon.
You can make the second one fairly fucking decent.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You just have to build the landing ramp right. He's the director. Website coming soon. Keep an
Yeah,
eye
it's
out.
coming in. www.com.au, Aussie company. Check it out.
They're down there doing the plumbing.
Ah, yeah.
Where you been? We've been worried sick.
You could pull that right back.
Yeah.
The up ramp. Like the high point of the pile there. But then it might just fucking, unless you done one big up ramp to jump each way.
Maybe even just get her in a little bit closer here, so you can have a bit of a look.
Had lunch.
Lunch? We had lunch.
Had lunch out of a parent's place.
Yeah, righto. No invite. It's hard to believe I've just built this on site.
Delicious.
Yeah.
What match you want to do? You want to do a steep one, huh?
Yeah, well, we're probably going to have to come from this way and then go that way off that one.
So it's been to like China and stuff.
Oh, yeah. You familiar with that place, Rids?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
very
I am.
familiar. We couldn't change Cal's jump here. We wanted the jump in the same spot, so we just fixed her up and put a bit more dirt on top of her. He's fuming.
Yes.
Heavy later, mate, if you want.
Fucking hell, I remember when you could get a 30 pack for $30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fair dinkum though. 375 30 pack for $30, and what do you got?
It's 330. 10 of them, 25 bucks.
It's daylight robbery. Give you a little bit of a bloody demo from up here. Hey Lamb, do you want to put these two together just here?
Step up onto the lander?
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
What about if, what do you reckon, set it right in against this little...
Yeah, in the flattest possible part, wherever you reckon.
You can clear that on a 110.
Yeah, big time.
Big time. You don't have a helmet, who's going to hit it?
I got a
Buy
helmet
one?
you can use.
Yeah, I was going to say.
You're going to use that ramp.
It's stuck in the ground.
No dig, no ride.
What do you reckon, is it going to get closer than that? Nah.
You pretty much dragged it straight into place. We don't even have to barely move it. There's a big bloody lever.
For a walk. We're going to get her in.
Look at that. That's fucking legit.
That looks sketchy enough.
That's legit. You want to chuck a couple of rocks under there just to support it?
Yeah.
Under the ply maybe?
She's good. I mean, she's good. She's good on this side. Ooh,
That's what I mean. I'm a bit worried. I don't want you going over the bars.
that'd be pretty fucking good. The front wheel go through there, get there.
Fuck it.
See how she goes.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Look pretty close.
Me. Within 5.
Within 5 inches or centimetres or millimetres, what are we talking?
Centimetres.
Pretty close.
That's inches.
Alright, line her up.
Helmet?
Yeah, you want a helmet? I've got a helmet in the back of my car. I'll get it.
Let's have a look at that.
We are on.
Fucking jump.
On a 110 with
On a 110.
with a downy on the wrong angle to the ramp. Alright. Guess we're doing it.
We've what is it? Honeycomb fucking plywood up ramp.
Rotted out supply.
If you got a mullet, you got success.
I'm not worried about clearing it. I reckon it's the alright, make sure the bobcat's out there.
bar.
Yeah, I'll get him out of the way.
The edge.
I'll get him to pull out of the way. And we'll get it done.
No worries.
How many test runs?
2.
2 test runs, jumping on the 3rd.
Jump it on the 3rd.
My boy. Can you just move the spreader bar out of the way? We've got an X Games long distance jump happening. 2 run-ins, 3rd one he's going it. We got bloody honeycomb plywood on the ramp. Good chance he's going through it. Oh, he's just going it! Oh! Fuck the test runs! He does not worry about the test runs! Did not worry about the test runs!
Oh, air wheelie. Made it.
I didn't think you were going today. What happened to the test runs?
I
Nah,
had time to think about that. That was just go.
that was sick.
Can I give you my fuel card? You get your jerry can?
Yeah.
Full of diesel?
Yeah,
What are you coming out with no diesel?
Ran out of diesel too much.
yeah, we'll top you up, man.
Chewing me diesel.
Yeah, I'll go see Matty and we'll sort it out.
Don't look too hard, Cal. She ain't finished, champion. At least you don't have to lift it up above your head to fucking feel it. Oh, little bastard won't be able to sleep tonight. Oh, what was that? Chuck it back on.
Liam, I've jumped this.
Yeah, has he got my helmet?
Is he doing it?
Tell him to chuck my helmet on. Chuck my helmet on.
What's that?
Chuck my helmet on.
Oh, definitely.
He's gone, fuck, there's another 2 jumps I'm not going to jump on this place.
Oh, cow. It's like, can I go up here and maybe it'll look a little smaller?
I'm just worried that
You fall.
front nose will go in and fucking over the bars.
I suppose we won't know until we get the first one out of the way. I hope he doesn't fuck my helmet.
Yeah.
Are we off it?
Oh, so you got your helmet.
Yeah.
That's big for 110.
I think it's just wedged, land wedged, and then go this high line and then be wedged off that and just hope that you get it. the wind in the air will probably stop you.
You're gonna have to like BMX hop it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here he goes. He doesn't do test runs.
I know, I like it.
Third gear wedged.
You got some money?
Third gear wedged.
Definitely third gear wedge. Has got 4 gears, you know.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, maybe 4th gear wedge.
Yeah, maybe.
Wow.
We're on. Don't back off, son. Fuck! Fucking hell! Full commitment! Full commitment!
I didn't know if that was gonna work. Hey, to be honest.
Butter! Both times were just butter.
Third and just held it. That was the best thing I've been in a while. Oh,
That's fucking sick. Told you you'd get it.
Oh, that felt loose there.
That was sick.
Oh,
You were coming in hot as, and I'm thinking, oh fuck, this looks a
needed
bit
every
more
bit of
intense than what I thought.
oh.
Fuck, dude, that was fucking loose, eh?
That was sick.
That was so cool.
That was awesome, dude. I was impressed, eh?
So was I, because I seen you land the first one. I'm like, he's going way too fast to do anything other than hit the next one.
Oh no, I was not stopping.
And then you were just full committed and just went it.
That was fucking awesome. Alright, round 2.
Oh, that
Back on, son.
it's in there. I can reread it.
So old Chili's just tried to run in the old 2 smoke, and he's done himself a bit of a mischief here. Give us a little demo.
Nah, I know what you're talking about, mate.
Give us a little demo.
Nah, nothing.
What have you got fucking hanging out the bottom here? Oh, he's looped up! Have a look at the duct tape! He's fucking looped up!
Yeah, it goes alright, eh?
The old 2 smoke done him in!
That's good, eh?
Yeah, she's got a blue room. What do you reckon, Red Dogs? How good's that gonna be? Yeah. We got to put a case pad on that landing and build it out, but that lip's sick.
By the time you click that, it's going to be faster and faster.
Yeah.
You need to build that last one up a lot though.
Yeah, big time.
That'd be sweet though. Can't believe how well that stuff's compacted.
Done, fellas, upper. Day number 2 of the build day. Crack a day, no wind today, and boys camped out the night. So we got Scotty again on the machine, going flat bicky again all day. So see what we can get done.
I thought it was going to get picked up off the ground. This thing was just...
Yeah,
It's like Bobby Dazzler's.
yeah.
That tabletop and that his track is real similar to dirt.
Yeah, your up ramp's underneath that up ramp, Cal. It's in the same spot. You can see where it is. Fucking Cal. 2020. 2020 was at 250 straight over her. Nah, this jump here will kind of be like that last one, but probably better.
I reckon it'll be
Poppier.
It'll be better.
Yeah.
Albatross.
So,
What's going on?
see what's going on.
What do you reckon?
Piggies for you.
What do you reckon?
She's changing.
Cal!
Are you going to come into that first jump? That's pretty slow, I'd say. This one's going to get on the gas.
Nah,
pretty hard.
that first one you'll be going pretty fast.
Have you looked at it from your up ramp yet?
See? Go have a
Too
look.
scared to go over there while you guys are over there.
I'll come with you. Come on. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look at her. Hey! Come over here. Come on. Same spot. Same spot.
Just with a load of dirt over the top of it.
Same spot. It's got a nice, we've fixed it. Piece of cake. You can go from that side, you can jump it straight, you can go from over there and turn over it, do all kinds of cool shit. And that second one will be fuck all. Talk to me, son.
No.
Have you seen it yet?
No.
Got your bike yet?
No.
Fucking hell. Can't have a win, eh? Might just be like a little bit faster version of the higher side on the fence line. This one here will definitely be a little bit faster, but the second one probably not so much. What do you reckon, Cal? Calamari! What do you reckon?
Come closer, I'll tell ya.
Oh, fucking hell. Look, this is his up ramp. It's in the same spot.
We'll get some
No,
pillows there for you.
I fucking... what I said to Matchy was, I told him to leave the jump there.
Yeah, we
It's
did.
just got dirt on it.
We just put dirt on
No
top
one
of it.
moved it.
Now we can actually jump it. Stop being so selfish. Look, it's in the same spot. Yeah, I know. Hey.
Bring your nutties.
Can you introduce yourself, Sober Sam?
I'm embarrassed about my actions. What's the time now? 7 o'clock or something? 8 o'clock?
8 o'clock.
Were
Yeah,
you
I'm
in
only
bed?
one tin deep. I'm sorry. I'll go to the van now and get one.
8:20.
Shit.
Have you had
breakfast yet? Old hobble on. I had my orange juice.
Nice.
GDL. Good.
Orange UDL. She is a little bit fresh, isn't she?
Fresh.
That pipe looks dialed. Yeah.
TNT graphics in for a while.
Oh! Few more herbs. Need a few more herbs. Oh!
Feel free to have a go at it. Feel free.
Did that money go through?
Oh!